NTNX stock analysis and NTNX stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. Because look, I'm the only guy in this space that has actually gone and done 40,000 videos, and I'm telling you this because it's taken me 5 years. So when I say the numbers, people think it's like an overnight thing. No, you know, and at least from that repetition and volume, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Unironically, like I longed like 3 separate occasions. I mean, the real long was like only this one here. And here is the demonstration video link proof. And then it pulled down and then just did that. That's 8 months back. I'm here to tell you that it's just a weekly chart. So it's like a big higher time frame. Once that happened, then I saw the price also delivering here. I just abandoned the thing because it was all over the place. To just make it simple, man, I'm just going to zoom out and observe every freaking hour. And I honestly like where we are. I mean, it's not like I have any option to kind of control that, but actually it's good. It's great. We are in a demand zone right here, and ultimately I'm ready to be buying. Am I going to buy though randomly? No. First, I'm waiting for a confirmation, and only if the confirmation is met. Only after, I don't know exactly how much days, maybe the confirmation is never going to be met, but I'm saying if no rules are met, I'm not buying. All I'm doing is I'm waiting, being patient. And if you want to learn how I'm making 10K per month trading with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.